No, like in church.
Okay, so this is only for like
after.
No issue.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
I'm really hissing me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so good.
I believe your life.
No compromising. I know the fights. If you don't,
Oh, yeah.
Honey, I wouldn't cheer. You're young. You must
look here.
Okay.
Look here.
Okay, you have to
You have taken my own. Oh, yeah, concentrate now to the camera.
Come raw.
Come raw. Nah, come raw. 4, 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, go.
Serious. Smile. Cheese. Oh, yeah, go.
Or something say your thing. My cody posing on a male posing with do she go there with person. Posing with do she can him now or she only guess what it is.
Cake decorator. You have to tell us something about this cake.
Decorated by right, you know she will marriage and I decorate.
Yeah, we get you decorate.
Should have put a bruise off.
We cut that cake.
So that you're not gonna okay. You guys. Camera, camera.
Which camera?
18th wedding anniversary.
Wow. Let me.
Yes.
Can I do it? Stop.
Emmanuel, how can you do it? Should I have your name?
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, well,
Look at the camera.